Hello everyone, it's Mommy here. So today we'll be doing our lips balm to have a nice hydrating lip. So we need some lip balm, especially in this season, so there is windy and sun, so our lips dry out so quickly. So I will need for our lips balm today, so we need our beetroot, 1 beetroot, and then I'll use 2 spoons of pure vaseline, and then I'll use this one. So I'm gonna cut our beetroot in 2 parts, and then I'm gonna use this grater to grate it. I'm just wearing some disposable gloves because I don't want the stain of the beetroot on my hands. As you can see, it's too red, so I don't want the color to transfer on my hands. Okay, so we did grate our beetroot, is here. So that's our beetroot. Okay, so we're gonna use our sieve to bring out the juice. We put all the beetroot on the sieve, and then we're gonna press down to bring the juice out. So I'm using a fresh beetroot. So I've got my juice here, so that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna get 2 spoons of vaseline. I'll add inside the juice. So that's the amount. So that 1 spoon. And I'll use 2. So that's the second one. So now I'll just add it in this hot water, so to allow the vaseline to melt, and then it's gonna mix with the juice. Yeah, so I'm gonna start stirring it. Yeah, so you can see how the vaseline is melting inside our juice. So you can see how it melted. So we've got our lip balm here. So it's all melted. So it's made the vaseline and the beetroot. So once you get this, so you're gonna allow it to sit. Okay, that's how it looks like. So it looks like this. So you're gonna put it like in the fridge for between 10 to 15 minutes, so to allow it like to settle. And then I'll put it, I'll come back to show you how it looks like. That's me ready with my beetroot lip balm. So the beetroot lip balm is here. So that's it. So that's how it looks like. So it's very nice and then very hydrating on the lips here. Yeah, give it a try. I think you will like it, you know. With all the benefits of beetroot, we know that it has. So just give it a try. Yeah, so I hope you give it a try. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Thumbs up if you like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.